Feeling lost in the labyrinth of your Peachtree data? Let's untangle it. Today, we're diving into how to map your Peachtree system, which will involve showing you how to map network drives, understand file paths, and even visualize how data flows within the software. First, let's tackle mapping network drives. Open your File Explorer, usually found on your taskbar. Right-click on this PC in the left-hand navigation pane and select Map Network Drive. Choose a drive letter from the drop-down menu, then click Browse and point it to the shared folder where your Peachtree data files reside. This allows for easy access to your company files. Now, let's talk about file paths within Peachtree. Knowing where your data is stored is crucial. In Sage 50, go to the Company menu and then click Properties. Here, you'll find the exact location of your company data files. Copy this path, as you may need it for troubleshooting or backing up your data. Finally, let's visualize data flow. While Sage 50 doesn't have a built-in visual mapper, you can create a simple flowchart to understand how data moves between modules. For example, a sale starts in sales orders, impacts inventory, and ends in general ledger. This kind of high-level understanding will empower you to better troubleshoot and optimize your Peachtree system, and that's how you begin to map your Peachtree data.